I'm good. Hey everyone, welcome to Cooking Rick and Rye, episode 2 of Christmas.
Yes, but what episode total is this? Do you know? And I thought this was called
23.
23.
So, 23. We're gonna make our own sauce. We're gonna make great lasagna.
Sounds good.
You ready?
Yeah, so
right.
We're only making one.
No, we're gonna share duties today.
Yes, because last night Richard called me and said, I ain't fucking shit at lasagna and I don't want to fail on camera. No matter how good my editing is, I can't save it. Please guide me through this. So that's what today's episode is. You know, I'm gonna make Richard look good today.
Oh, thanks, Ryan. Okay, cheers. Episode 2 of Christmas, lasagna. Let's go. Homemade lasagna is easy. You need 2 cups of flour, mound it like that.
Looks like we're making a mess.
You're gonna make a little volcano in here.
Oh.
Alright, so Rye, let's crack 2 eggs each right in the middle of this. Now, the ratio is 4 eggs, 2 cups of flour. And we're gonna, if it gets a little bit hard, a little bit soft, you're gonna add things to it. You can add a little bit of water to it. You can add a little bit of flour to it.
Oh shit.
Fuck. Look. Everywhere. Holy fuck.
It's a volcano.
That's not, okay, so we have this and you're just gonna
Stuck in the middle with you.
just scramble them up in here.
Okay.
Okay, so when you've got it more or less scrambled, you start adding a little bit of flour. All the way.
Oh. It's got a leaker.
Got a leaker, I know.
Okay. And it's raining salt.
See, so it doesn't matter if your volcano breaks. Just bring it back, all back in.
Just see.
I heard you feeling better, I'm so glad. Don't thank me, I'll do what I can. Remember if you ever feel low.
If you were doing this in front of a bunch of Italian grandmas, they'd all be fucking yelling at you. One would be grabbing you by the ear. Get out of the kitchen, Ricardo! Get out of the kitchen! Slapping you with a fucking slipper.
Yep. So use the back of your palm and just keep pushing it down. Folding it over.
Trouble don't mean a thing. Snap your fingers and I'm all the same. Yeah, don't mean a thing.
Okay, so that has to sit at least half an hour before we can roll it.
So what are we gonna do in a half an hour?
We're gonna make our sauce.
Oh, just flour on it.
Doesn't matter. Okay. Olive oil.
Quick, get on that. This is a true technique right here. Swirly, swirly, swirly. Done. See, look at that. That's good. It's good.
I like that. Swirly, swirly, swirly.
Done.
You 3 swirlies, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you got your beef, break it up, a little olive oil. Okay, salt. Lots of salt, right?
Sure.
You don't do this? You don't make meat? You make meat sauce.
This doesn't make meat sauce. I'm just making sure you're making it the right way. That's why he's going lots of salt and looks at me like, am I right?
Yeah.
And I just give him a nod. Yeah, you're good. It's okay, Ricardo. You got it. Remember when you're making this.
Little bit of paprika. When we're making it what?
Can you show me what a lot of paprika is? I just want to see the difference here.
And some white pepper.
A lot? A little?
Like shakes.
Or
Like some shakes, like this, right?
that's a lot of shade. That's got a call from Netflix.
Yeah. And?
Well, they want me to do a cooking show.
I got everything you need.
Okay, so beef, we kind of got it like 80% cooked.
Got it. There you go. Got it. Got it. I'm here for you. Look at all the garlic stained in the pan. Now what are we doing? We made a meat sauce.
No, we only started
Why
making.
didn't you put this?
So now we want onions.
He's making a more quack. Or whatever
Now
you
you
call
want shallots.
Marquois?
Mirepoix.
Mirepoix.
That's an Italian one. So we have carrots, celery, onions, shallots. And Ryan, I need a good handful of salt in this one. Oh, you're too far away, I'll do it. So, nice big handful of salt. All
It's pretty though, eh?
Yeah.
I think it brings out my eyes. Especially the blue ones.
Squeeze it, squeeze
Yeah,
it.
who's the bad boy now? Are you mixing or am I
I don't have to mix yet, just squeeze.
Oh yeah, let me get every last
Everything,
drop.
every last drop.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah, look at this is like a night of jalapenos. Ah. Oh, fuck.
Okay, so when you've got this in, if you can see in here, we're gonna just take the tomatoes and you're just gonna take out the moisture on it. So once you've got this and you've got most of the moisture out, you're gonna add about a cup, 2 cups of red wine. Okay, so we're reducing the wine in there, we're getting rid of the alcohol, and it's still a little bit too thin. Okay, so it's thickened up now. You can see I can get a spoon, a line through that.
Richard, make sure you can see a line through that with your spoon.
I got it.
And then you know
I got
you're
it.
good.
I got it. Okay, now we're gonna add our tomatoes. Right.
You're not getting
Fill it up with half a thing of water, please.
Oh shit. Hot water, cold water.
Doesn't
just
matter.
in between.
So then now we got this, we're just gonna blitz it up.
I'm done.
So once you've blitzed it up, now we can add our meat. And I use a slotted spoon so I don't get any of the fat in there.
So the question I have, we making 45 lasagnas today?
Yes. This is a standard recipe, 2 cans.
Yeah, if you're in the fucking army,
Yeah, but I can have
feeding a mess hall.
I can have pasta sauce now for 3 nights with this recipe. Right, it's coming together.
Come together.
Taste that now, right?
Alright. Coming good? Okay, let's roll the fucking dough.
Need some flour.
But look, you just spread it everywhere. Mine would have been the same, but with flair.
Okay, you haven't done anything. Fuck.
I throw shit in the garbage.
If you're looking for a good time, call me. I'll be there before you even know it. There's no trouble, no mean a thing. Snap your fingers and I'm on the scene. Come in, honey, I'll make you believe it. I got everything you need.
Very good, Richard. Very good technique. Couldn't have done it better myself. He's working up a sweat now.
Okay, so when you have it like this, you can take your knife and you can just cut little pieces of it.
Are we gonna hang those?
Well, you would hang these and make fresh pasta. So you would just let this sit on a pan with some flour, but we're making lasagna. So we want big sheets.
See, who would have thought?
So, lasagna, homemade lasagna noodles.
Awesome. It's just not doing it for me.
Where's your lights, Jim?
They died then.
We did. That's how long the battery lasts?
Fucking cheap dollar store motherfucker. Well, that wasn't nice. All I had to do is replace the battery. No, you fucked it up. Yeah, I'm not happy.
For a good time, call me. I'll be there before you even know it. It's no trouble, no mean a thing. Snap your
Is your fucking water boiling yet? Boil!
It's working.
Working.
So, oh man, what are we gonna do to pass time? I know. Look how nice those look. Lola, break it up. Your food I dig.
don't mean a thing. Snap your fingers and I'm on the scene. If you're looking for a good time, call me.
Okay, and then when they're done, you throw them in the cold water. All right, we add a little bit of meat sauce.
Yeah, the layering.
So add a little ricotta then.
It should go meat, noodle, ricotta.
Oh.
Meat, noodle, ricotta. Meat, noodle, ricotta. Meat, noodle, ricotta.
Snap your fingers and I'm on the scene. Don't mean a thing.
It's not very nice. Richard, we gotta eat with these things.
Oh, they're boiled, it's fine. Okay, don't let it stick.
Don't stack, guys.
They need to be more pliable than this.
I fucking asked. Is this pliable enough? Yes, sir.
Oh.
Snap your fingers and I'm on the scene. Come in, honey, I'll make you believe it. I got everything you need. I got everything you need.
Doing it this way helps melt the cheese a bit.
Because sitting in an oven for 45 minutes doesn't
No.
melt the cheese.
No.
I'm so glad. Don't thank me, I'll do what I can. Remember, if you ever feel alone, you just hit me on the telephone. Come in, honey, I'll make you believe it. I got everything you need.
What is that? What is this? What, it looks like you ate half of it before you put it in the water.
It's called Swiss lasagna noodles.
If you're looking for a good time, call me, and I'll be there before you even know.
Into the oven.
That is a good. It's a good. That's a good. Malaka leka. Oh yeah, just take this motherfucker.
Look at this, right? Our lasagna. Awesome.
That looks good. You did really good today, Richard.
Awesome. Awesome.
This is gonna be stupid hot. You know that, right?
It's gonna be hot.
Like, I see the setup here. How can you eat that?
It's awesome. Awesome, right?
Okay,
Our
fine.
sauce.
It's our sauce.
That's what I said, our sauce.
It's Ryan and Ricardo's awesome
I'm just fucking Ryan.
lasagna.
It's not hot.
No, it's not. I feel like I'm eating in prison though. It's like I'm fighting for my food.
You're like elbow room.
Yeah. It's pretty good. No, that's good. Do you think you could do this on your own next time?
yeah. I'll try, Ryan. I'll try.
I'm glad.
I might call you a few times.
You know what? You were probably my easiest student.
Checks in the mail. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching Cooking Rick and Rye Lasagna Christmas episode. Yeah, softball.
Make a softball. From a volcano to a softball.
Fuck, that almost went in your drink. Okay, right, wrap it up. Wrap
Okay,
it
it's
up.
a wrap.
Clean it up.
We're done.
We're not done.
Oh, you said wrap it up.
Wrap
Oh,
my
I
ball
thought
up.
you said cheers. I guess the Christmas special's over now. Don't fuck around. You know this is a good shirt.
If you're looking for a good time, call me. I'll be there before you even know it. It's no trouble, don't mean a thing. Snap your fingers and I'm on the scene. Come in, honey, I'll make you believe it. I got everything you need. I got everything you need.
You like it?
Oh, it does feel like
Feel good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Here's the bad little ball now.